Hello and welcome to Bud's Odd Jobs. This video is the second in a series of 6 videos. This series will give you all the necessary information to install a good and reliable camera system while helping to remove any uncertainty associated with purchasing the proper hardware. Simply put, the goal of this series is to help you determine the appropriate system hardware and components to ensure proper protection of your most valued assets. In this video, I intend to explain why I purchase Power over Ethernet cameras, referred to as PoE cameras, and why I highly recommend that you purchase PoE cameras rather than the various wireless cameras that are often promoted as solutions for your home security system. That's up next in this segment of Bud's Odd Jobs, the DIY's best source for home improvement hints, tips, and how-to videos. Evidenced in my intro, my answer to the question of the best camera for your security system is the PoE, or Power over Ethernet, particularly if you're planning to install cameras out of doors for the protection of your home's perimeter. Wi-Fi cameras can definitely have a place in your security system. We'll talk more on that a little bit later. Allow me to support my recommendation for PoE cameras for the exterior of your home. First, allow me to explain how PoE and wireless cameras get their power. PoE, or Power over Ethernet cameras, are designed to work with PoE-capable network video recorders. These are often referred to as NVRs. A Power over Ethernet camera receives both data and power supply over a single Ethernet cable. You can use either a Cat5e or a Cat6 Ethernet cable. I purchased Cat5e network cable in bulk, and then I made my own wire runs. Ethernet network cables are very easy to make with the proper tools. Wireless cameras are capable to connect to your network without network cables. However, they still need to be connected to a power source. That power source must be supplied either by a power cord or it must be supplied from an installed battery. If you install the battery, you'll need to replace it from time to time. Another substantial difference between Wi-Fi and PoE cameras is that PoE cameras are able to be installed with a connection distance up to 100 meters. That equates to approximately 328 feet. On the other hand, Wi-Fi cameras have a connection distance of only about 10 meters or 32 feet. So this distance of 32 feet assumes that you are connecting to a typical router and not using a Wi-Fi extender to advance the wireless signal. Therefore, PoE cameras have a connection distance which is about 10 times the distance of a wireless camera. Another factor to consider is signal interference. Since data transmission over PoE is through a wired network cable, there is no signal interference or signal jamming. Therefore, PoE is much more reliable than Wi-Fi in terms of data transmission. Finally, an IP camera system based on a PoE camera is much easier to manage. Bottom line, if you want an extremely stable network signal for your exterior cameras, you need to buy PoE security system cameras. So is there a place for Wi-Fi cameras in your home security system? Absolutely. Wi-Fi cameras work best indoors where they can be placed within a comfortable range of your router signal and be plugged into a standard power source. Because they connect via a Wi-Fi signal, they can transmit data without being hardwired. Since these cameras are using your Wi-Fi signal, it's best to limit the number of cameras to either 1 or 2 cameras, or else you may experience connection issues. So if you're looking to get a couple of indoor cameras and you want to be able to plug and play without all the wiring and associated installing of Ethernet wires, the plug-in or battery-powered wire-free Wi-Fi cameras, they should top your list. However, if you want a stable and reliable outdoor security camera system, you should definitely select a PoE camera. I trust the information presented in this video has gotten you a little more comfortable with installing your own surveillance system. If you are currently considering the installation of security cameras, I am certain that you will eventually come to the same conclusion that I did. The relatively low cost and minimal effort needed to install a good and reliable camera system is not only a good idea, it's also a very wise investment. The peace of mind that I have gained after installing my Amcrest system is invaluable to me. If you are considering the possible purchase of a security camera system, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button and check out the product links listed below. In addition, be sure to click on that notification bell. That way, you'll be sure to get automatic notifications of the additional videos that I'm going to include in this series. If you're already a subscriber, let me take the opportunity to thank you for helping me get established as a new YouTube creator. Your subscription and continued loyalty are greatly appreciated. You know, it's important to me that I'm targeting my subscribers' needs for video content. If I'm missing the target, please comment below about additional topics you would like me to cover. I encourage and appreciate your comments and suggestions. Finally, if this video content was helpful to you, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Hey, thanks for watching this video segment on home video surveillance. We'll see you in the next segment. Bye for now.